was going to wear my really Christmassy sweater today, but you know what?
Shrink it again.
Mary washed it in hot water.
Oh,
so,
I hate when that happens.
So isn't it good we have the crazy craft lady on today to get us in the spirit with new sweaters?
I thought you said you were going to wear a sweater, but then Heather started making fun of it. So.
No, I couldn't get in it.
No. Well, I want to talk to you guys about the ugly Christmas sweater
craze.
Tradition.
Yeah, but I want to call it festive.
Festive.
Because they're not really that ugly, right?
Right. Now, are you in a festive
No,
sweater?
I don't know what you're talking about. Yeah, let me show off mine.
I love it.
Anything with a cat, you can't go wrong.
You can't go wrong with.
Cat and some holly.
Yeah.
Let me show you some of our other sweaters. We have Bah Humpug over here.
Yes.
If you love dogs.
Bah Humpug.
I mean, that's going to go.
Cowboy wants that one. He made
All right,
that.
that one's going. Then we have over here, it's just a smattering of Christmas
Does
joy.
it come with this pretty thing?
No, but
that's extra.
see how you can add that?
I
and
like
The
magical?
tackier, the better.
Right?
Right.
Yeah.
This is the trend, and these people that actually own these, we don't think they're ugly.
No, they're festive.
You're in. You've been in this whole time.
Yeah.
So let me show you. I'm going to show you a little video of kind of the craze, where the craze has gotten us to. We've got a bunch of sweaters out there. People are doing like Santas and Christmas trees and all kinds of.
Oh, that's,
you know,
I think I had that.
The more
that first one.
That was Megan's regular sweater.
Yeah.
And of course that one. You gotta love that. And you know,
I think it's fun
everyone
when the men get involved and they wear something with a lot of.
And they do get involved, and good for them.
And you know, some of these you can't put on TV. The ones I found on the internet.
Well,
yeah, there are. We should do a whole segment on inappropriate Christmas sweaters.
That's true. That's our next segment.
We'll wait till the kids are gone.
Look, you can make your own. You don't have to. See, okay.
So this is a kit. How do they?
Yeah, let's come back to us here and look at what we've got. Okay. This is a sweatshirt kit that you buy, and it comes with everything you need.
Okay. I love it. They're wearing sweatshirt, not necessarily sweater.
It's not a sweater because these are hot. Yeah, comes with glue and glitter glue. I started yours, Megan.
Oh, good.
Because I don't know. You guys
I like gold
very
and
crafty.
bedazzled.
And Jack, I started yours too.
I love the reindeer.
And it comes with, let me show you, it comes with little presents. So you guys can start zhuzhing a little.
I definitely need some jingle bells.
Yeah.
I've got a little assistant, Will. Do you think you can come help me?
And then we can glue on, these are ornaments.
Hi.
No.
You want to help me make an ugly sweater? Okay, start gluing some stuff on.
I'm telling you. These are ornaments. And let's do some presents.
Yeah.
Megan, here, why don't you guys add some presents?
I don't know what the heck that is.
I like where you're going
Well,
with
that's
this.
just kind of a zhuzhy thing up here, maybe.
How about balls?
Yeah, well.
Can't have enough balls on a sweatshirt.
Now, what's great, this glitter glue is glue. Right?
What did you say?
It's glitter and it's glue.
Oh, so it's a twofer.
It's a twofer.
Oh,
Look.
that's cool.
Who doesn't love this?
Oh, well, we definitely need.
Yeah, you need a reindeer.
No. White has to go. You want it to be symmetrical.
Yeah, Heather, don't mess up.
You want it to be symmetrical. Now, put it over here.
Oh, okay. But see how we're doing? And then we can go, you can go to your party tonight. Right?
Yeah, and you will be all set.
And you won't be, no one will make fun of you. You'll have.
But this is something fun y'all could do on Christmas morning or on Christmas Eve. You know, you're always looking for some fun family traditions.
And look,
where did you get these kits?
I got these at Nordstrom, but they also have them at Target and Walmart. But look, I got you, and I made that.
It's like Laverne and Shirley. Will
I was going to say that, but I didn't know if you would get that.
We'll put one on mine, please.
Will you help Mr. Jack?
Is that a J?
I like that.
But see how much fun. Are we having fun?
I'm kind of having a blast. Hey, hook me up with a little glue.
Now, it did come with a sewing kit, but I removed all needles from,
that's way out of our...
What do you think? Do we need jingle bells?
Yes, the more jingle, the better.
Jack, I'm helping you.
I haven't had this much fun in a long time.
Right?
I'm just proud of our... Oh, I like where Jack did it on the side. I'm going to copy you.
See, I like the ornaments, right?
You don't have any glue?
Look, my assistant
Oh, wait, here, Megan. Here, you got this glue.
Oh, there.
There you go. There you go.
Yeah.
There you go.
This is great.
Have a holly
jolly Christmas. Aren't we feeling fabulous?
Should we wear these when we decorate our tree on Monday?
Yeah, you think you should, right?
I think we should.
Now, it does come with, here are the recommendations. Are you ready?
I'm ready.
Yeah.
You can't go wrong.
Okay.
I don't know about that.
That's not true.
We recommend you think of a theme. And it says to add personalized photos. What do you think about that?
Oh, yeah. I need a photo of Jack in a sweater.
Well, that's why I thought it'd be fun to put a sweater on the sweater.
Remember, symmetry is important.
Oh, sorry, Jack. I wasn't.
Deer.
Yeah, I wasn't really.
Do we want more bling, Will?
See, what do you think? Are we doing this?
Yes, we're doing this, right?
We really don't have to wear these, do we?
Yeah, this is what we're wearing for our Christmas show, Jack.
Okay.
So make it count.
See, Will, don't you love this?
This is a good time. Heather, this is the quietest that he's ever helped me with anything.
Now, the jingle bells don't hang very good, okay?
That's
so you
okay.
got to sew those on, I think.
Christina, this may be coming back to you, our producer. I know
this is her
gift.
gift.
Did you for good for Christmas?
Yep. Did you tell her that's the secret?
Yes. We're going to keep decorating, and we'll see you in just a minute with our ooh, oh, wow moment.
I think this is the ooh, oh, wow.
I'm gonna.